Mornings are getting brighter every day. The birds are not yet singing in the trees when you wake. Well, it's usually a 4:30 a.m. rise in our house, so we beat the birds most mornings. The weather seems to have changed and the temperature has been notched up a degree or three over the past few weeks. Granted, there are the odd heavy showers and the weather remains totally unpredictable. But according to the astronomical measuring of the seasons, spring is now here. Yes. Now, the phrase that gets bandied around so much over this period of time is the spring clean. That's the practice of thoroughly cleaning a house at the start of spring. Now, research shows that a spring clean can improve your health. Cleaning the home can help you breathe better. It can also increase productivity. If you haven't used something, get it, throw it out, or give it to a charity shop. Now, knowing where everything is can save time searching. It's also good exercise. Can't get to the gym? Well, spring cleaning will certainly burn those calories for you. So what's this all got to do with the world of finance, Shane, I hear you ask? Well, now is the time to spring clean our finances. So print off the last 3 bank statements. Get some highlighters. A green highlighter is going to be used for all your essential spending, such as the household bills. The orange highlighter is going to be for discretionary spending, such on things as Netflix and memberships. And a blue highlighter for everything else, such as takeaways, Amazon, coffees, etc. The green spending should make up 50% of your income. The orange and blue should make up 30% of your income or spending. And the remaining 20% is to be used to save into a cash-based reserve called an emergency fund. And once this has been achieved, starting to invest for the medium to long term. Now that's in excess of 60 months for you or your children's future. The orange and blue are lumped into one, but for the purposes of viewing the spending on your bank statements, you need to ditch as much of the orange spending as you can. If you're not using it, just like throwing out the unused items in the home spring clean, gone. The blue spending needs to be reviewed. Don't worry about cutting back on it. Just notice what you spend and only spend on what makes you happy. For example, it may be coffees with friends or supporting a sports team. So back to your spending, and here's an example of the 50-30-20. If your income is £3,000 per month, you spend £1,500 on your needs, the green highlighted spending, £900 on the orange and blue, and £600 on building up that cash and investment reserve. A spring clean of your finances allows you to review your spending and your budgeting, a decluttering of your finances, and an opportunity to dig deep into your spending habits. You may be overspending and feeling stressed, which can have an impact on your health. This spring clean can give you some clarity. Now, like the house spring clean, if you are paying for a service and you haven't used it in such a long time, like a gym subscription, cancel it. The orange spending is seen as a need spending, and the blue is the want spending. So why am I telling you this? Well, alarmingly, 9% of people in the UK have no savings whatsoever, while over 40% do not have enough to support themselves financially for a month should they be unable to work. Too many people brand the phrase cost of living crisis at the moment, when in fact it is a cost of lifestyle crisis. Spring clean your finances. Get control of what you're spending on such as your direct debits and your cards on your phone or your watch, and reduce this where possible. And spend the money only on what makes you happy, while at the very same time saving for the future you, such as summertime or Christmas 2023, and investing in your long-term plans.